Mike McConville here again, one more time for Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. You know, I have to admit, I never ever saw the sort of portability thing for these workstations as being a big issue for myself in my own shop. But I stand corrected, because this is the 4th or 5th time this week that I've packed up the workstations, set them aside, and cleared up my workbenches because I have this replacement back I'm putting on this vintage Gibson. My shop is 11 by 22. So being able to pack up those workstations like in a couple of seconds and set them aside has freed up like all of this workspace. So a lot of you guys that are doing this type of work don't have humongous shops because, you know something, for the most part, you don't need them. I don't swing 4x8 sheets of plywood around in here. I'm building guitars, fixing guitars, and doing these videos for you guys. Look at all the storage you've got underneath there. All my snapshot containers with potentiometers and fasteners. So for you guys that are doing kit guitars, you can basically keep all your parts stored underneath the body platform. I filled that whole cavity with foam. You could have all your tuners and your soldering iron and all that essential stuff you want to have with you backstage when you're on tour. With all these environmental concerns that we're obviously faced with now, I wanted to point out that 40% of this unit by weight is recycled plastic lumber. So the sliding V blocks, the pivoting rail, the strips that the rail slides on, all the cross struts inside the case, they're all recycled plastic.